Could Saturday's rematch with Elon be the Spiders' biggest test of the spring season? Hello, Spider fans everywhere, and college football fans across America and around the world. It's Satsmo from the Spider Gang, proud to be back for another episode of Spiders Prologue. On Saturday at the Brick House at 4 p.m., Richmond will face the Elon Phoenix in an unusual consecutive game, having played Elon just 2 weeks ago. And yes, Spider fans, it could be the toughest test of the spring so far for the Richmond team. Coach Huseman and the players have been speaking a constant message all week long to forget about the 38-14 dominating performance the Spiders had over the Phoenix just 2 weeks ago. Seriously, Spider fans, when you haven't played but one game in 15 months and you go to Rhodes Stadium at Elon and dominate a team the way the Spiders did, how in the world can you forget about that? How can you not be at least a little comfortable going into this second game against the Phoenix? You have to believe, with this being a second consecutive game, that we won't surprise the Phoenix with their schemes and strategies, and the Phoenix might even be healthier. I'm not sure what their quarterback situation is at Elon this week. This could be the proverbial and highly feared trap game if the Spiders aren't mentally prepared to play the same kind of football we played 2 weeks ago. What I've seen of our dynamic defense and our very promising offense leads me to believe these guys don't believe they've proved anything yet. I don't look for a letdown. I do expect Elon to play better, but I expect the Spiders to go into Game 4 riding a hard-earned 3-game win streak. That's all for the Phoenix. Be alert, be active, be passionate on Saturday, Spiders. Go Spiders! So long for now.